Roslyn Uttleymoore, and I'm going to take you inside my fridge today. I don't know what your fridges look like, but here's what's in mine. We have cucumbers, beautiful Sunny Coast pineapples, turmeric and ginger. Have a big tray of black sapotes, have broccoli, zucchinis, lemons and limes, beautiful dandelion, beetroot, bit of pumpkin, some spring onions, some more little cucumbers. These are the little apple cucumbers. And then this is just fully stacked with kale and collards. Now that was fridge number 1, and who's a lucky girl? But she's got fridge number 2. So in here we have all the juicing apples, red ones, green ones, the juicing carrots, some more collard greens, and some more kale. Oh gosh, it's overflowing. We have our coffee, and we have our beautiful ripe bananas, red lentils, mung dal, green lentils, flaxseed, buckwheat. What's inside your fridge?